What are some examples of future pacing when it comes to sales? I'm Sylvan Bell. I'm coming to you live from Dallas, Texas, on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about future pacing. Now, future pacing is more of an NLP term, neuro-linguistic programming, but there are some effective things that you can do. Now, I will tell you that a lot of times when I see salespeople struggling, they have a problem of if versus when. If you do this is not a form of future pacing, but when you do it is. Okay, so that's probably like the biggest thing. There's a lot of doubt built around like if you do it. There's a lot of certainty built around when you do this. So, I think it's interesting that almost every time that I go to a convenience store or a grocery store or go shopping somewhere, the people when I leave, they're like, all right, see you later, right? They don't say, see you next time. They don't assume that something's going to happen. And so like I train a lot of in-home salespeople. And so like one of the things that I teach them to do is talk about what it's going to be like when the company comes out. So when our guys come out, they're going to show up in uniform and this is how they're going to be and this is what to expect. So one of the best ways for you to like reverse engineer this is what expectations would you set if you were going to sell the product or service, and then tell the story to the person like that they're going to get it. So when we come out here and do your service, here's what you're going to get, here's what you're going to see, here's what expectations are going to be met, and then go through that process. It's a drill. This is a sales strategy for you or a sales skill you got to learn. And I'm going to tell you, it should be in Sales Basic Mastery, but a lot of people avoid this. And if I had a consulting business where I did like stuff with companies and food chains and restaurants, one of the things that I would teach them from the bat is like, hey, see you next time. Thanks for coming out here. See you next time. That's probably one of the easiest ways to explain a future pace in the sales process is explain what's going to happen in the future when that person uses the product. What should they see? What should they expect? What should the outcomes be? Maybe tell them how they feel. Now, where this gets too cheesy is where you go over the top and go overboard, right? So it's going to take some effort and some energy on your part to figure out how to say this and how to do it. I can't show you how to do that over a video, but think about whatever it is. If you have a product that's going to be delivered, tell them what it's going to be like. Hey, when they come out here and they deliver your product, this is what you're going to see, this is what you're going to feel, this is what you're going to do, and this is how you're going to know that it works. Future pacing is really easy to use, and I will let you know it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So talk about when they do it, not if they do it. So when you leave, a comment down below, right here underneath the video, that would be fantastic, right? You can subscribe. There is a button to the right or the left. So once you have subscribed, then you can send it out to all your friends via StumbleUpon, Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Why not even LinkedIn? Look, check that out. I just future paced you. Sylvan Bell. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.